Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the Star BKS 9mm. This lighting's really showing off all those scratches. Anyway, first, drop your magazine. I like to pull the hammer back first. Not first, or before. You pull the slide back because it's a little bit easier. And then you're going to put the safety in the second takedown notch. Just like that. And then you're going to push out this pin, just like a 1911. This basically is a 1911. Lower the safety. Slide's going to come off the frame. There's your frame. Then you're going to remove the recoil spring. Then turn your barrel bushing to the left and pull out. Then your barrel is going to come out the front. And that is fully field stripped. I believe there's a pin right here if you would like to take out the firing pin. And then this pin right here is for taking out the extractor. Alright, and to put it back together, slide your barrel in. Barrel bushing. Recoil spring. Lock it back in that takedown notch. And it may take a bit of fiddling to get the pin and barrel link lined up properly. You want to make sure you don't have it in too far. You don't want to put the idiot scratch on your gun, which luckily someone already has done that on this one. So, all right, and then you just pop this pin all the way in here. Take it out of frame here. A little bit easier to work on. All right. They wanted to be a bitch off camera. But that's how you disassemble and reassemble a Star BKS. If you want to tell the model number or the model designation on these Star handguns, it is on the butt there. Another note, just on these Star handguns, do not dry fire them. Firing pins are easily broken when done that, and it's not fun hunting for Star replacement parts because they are no longer in business. All right. Got any more questions on these handguns? Let me know. Thanks for watching.